May kanya-kanyang panahon ang lahat ng bagay. Ang kalungkutan, ang pagiging masaya, ang mawalan, ang magkaroon, lahat yan ay may panahon. Parang nung ipinanganak din tayo at may time na tayo ay mamamatay din. So, lahat ng ito ay ipinapadana sa atin para magkaroon ng balanse ang buhay. Kung naghahangad ka ng puro kaligayahan, you will end up sad. Dahil walang puro kaligayahan. Kailangang maranasan mo din ang kung ano ang kalungkutan. Paano mo malalaman ang kaligayahan kung hindi ka nagiging malungkot sa buhay? So, ang babasahin ko ngayon sa inyo ay mula sa Aklat ng Ecclesiastes, Kabanata 3. So, simulan ko na. A time for everything. Everything that happened in this world happens at the time God chooses. It is the time for birth and the time for death, the time for planting and the time for pulling up, the time for killing and the time for healing, time for tearing down and the time for building. This is the time for sorrow and the time for joy, the time for mourning and the time for dancing. So the time for making love and the time for not making love, the time for kissing and the time for not kissing. This is the time for finding and the time for losing, the time for saving and the time for throwing away, the time for tearing and the time for mending, the time for silence and the time for talk. This is the time for love and the time for hate, the time for war and the time for peace. What do we gain from all our work? Know the heavy burdens that God has laid on us. He has set the right time for everything. He has given us a desire to know the future, but never gives us the satisfaction of fully understanding what He does. So, I realize that all we can do is to be happy and do the best we can while we are still alive. All of us should eat and drink and enjoy what we have worked for. It is God's gift. I know that everything God does will last forever. You can't add anything to it or take away from it. And one thing God does is to make us stand in awe of Him. Whatever happens or can happen has already happened before. God makes the same thing happen again and again. So kung malungkot ka ngayon, huwag kang mag-alala. Kung wala kang pera ngayon, huwag kang mag-alala. Aba, kung masakit ang iyong puso ngayon at nalulungkot ka dahil nag-break up kayo, huwag kang mag-alala. Dahil ayon sa Biblia, ang lahat ng ito ay talagang mararanasan natin. Bakit? Para tayo ay magkaroon ng pagpapahalaga sa mga ibinibigay sa atin na biyaya. Everything is a gift for us to learn, for us to value life. May kanya-kanyang panahon ang lahat ng bagay. Injustice in the world. In addition, I have also noticed that in this world, you have found wickedness where justice and right ought to be. I told myself, God is going to judge the righteous and the evil alike, because everything, every action will happen at its own set time. I concluded that God is testing us to show us that we are no better than animals. After all, the same fate awaits man and animal alike. One dies just like the other. They are both the same kind of creature. A human being is no better off than an animal because life has no meaning for either. They are both going to the same place, the dust. They both came from it. They will both go back to it. How can anyone be sure that a man's spirit goes upward while an animal spirit goes down and to the ground? So I realized then that the best thing we can do is to enjoy what we have worked for. Nothing else we can do. There is no way for us to know what will happen after we die. So, what we are going to do is to enjoy life kung gusto mong magiging happy ka. Dahil lahat ng ito ay maglalast din. Kaya sinabi ni Jesus Christ, love one another. Dahil sa pag-ibig tayo ay tunay na magiging masaya at magiging magalak sa buhay. So, hindi yung makasariling pag-ibig, kundi sabi niya, love one another. Nang wala tayong nasasaktang iba. Hindi yung mahalin mo ang may minamahal na. It's a selfish love. Pansarili lamang. So kung ikaw ngayon ay malungkot, at kung ikaw ngayon ay walang pera, huwag kang mag-give up. Kung ikaw ngayon ay nasa matinding hindi magandang nararamdaman, huwag kang malungkot. Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa dahil tayo ay dumadaan sa proseso. So, darating din ang panahon, ang time. There is a time for everything na ito ay mag-heal din. Na ikaw ay magkakapera din. So, all we need to do is enjoy para lahat ng ito, lahat ng mga enjoyment sa buhay ay mapapasa atin. Dahil only negative emotions, negative thinking will result to negative experiences. So, ang gawin natin daw ay magiging masaya. Dahil para ang end day natin ay magiging masaya. So, enjoy life lang tayo. Huwag tayong mawala ng pag-asa dahil may nakaset na time para sa ating kaligayahan, para sa ating kapirahan, para sa ating kagalingan. And magiging mabuti lang tayong tao at mabuti rin ang ating maani sa buhay. God bless everyone and thank you so much for watching.